Hello again. Today we're going to be driving the Maxx again. However, we had a few upgrades we did. Basically, all the green parts you see, all these little arms, this is what's called the WideMaxx kit. And what it does is it just gives us a wider wheelbase. So this thing was already fairly stable for me on the looser surfaces like the gravel and whatnot, but this is supposed to help prevent it from rolling when it gets better traction. So we're going to give it a little run today and make a little quick video with it. All right. We got a new setup for our battery now. This is the battery for our FPV camera. It can't fall out. It's in there nice and secure. All right, plug that in. Get our main battery plugged in. All right. Turn the ESC on. Okay. Cool. Okay, get that nice and tight. Decided to record. Let's have some fun. Okay. Whoa, that's probably our worst crash so far. Slowing down is always the most dangerous part. Wow. That went far. Oh, there's still a camera on it. Okay. Well. think that's gonna do it for today. Bring her in and get her cleaned up. Nice. Okay, we had a lot of fun with that Max today. That WideMaxx kit, it definitely adds a lot of stability. I'm able to corner better, power slide better. I could even do my donuts better. However, I'm bottoming out where I wasn't before, so it came with different shocks and springs, or different springs, which I switched out, but I got to go tighter, so I'm going to adjust the things on them before our next run and see how that goes to get rid of a little bit of that bottoming out. And I got to order a little bit of shock oil that's a little bit heavier weight, and that might help compensate with that a little bit. But otherwise, this has been really fun. The GoPro mount, I hope we got it. We had a big crash, and we're gonna have it on the GoPro on my head and on the first person footage. We should have it, hopefully. But I think the GoPro might have, when it crashed, it looks like that file might be corrupted. So I got to go through it all. Hopefully it's still in there and we got the crash footage from the GoPro with a higher clarity shot, because that was a spectacular roly-poly crash, and I really hope we got that footage. So we're going to get this edited. At the very least, we'll have the FPV version of that, so that would be really fun. And we're going to get this edited, get it out, and it might be a while before there's too many more videos, but we're getting into our house really soon, and there's going to be so many videos coming up. So we'll see you all soon. Bye.